Hi folks, Dr. Hopewell and Dr. Lynn here again. We wanted to bring you another screencast, actually a series of screencasts that will help you with writing the introduction assignment for this module. The reason that we decided to do this is that in the coaching sessions, we have found that we tend to repeat over and over several specific issues. And so rather than have to take up time doing that, we thought we would create a screencast that will hopefully get everyone further down the road and make the coaching session 3 a little more efficient in the future. So with that said, we're going to begin with the title page. Dr. Lynn?
Okay, first of all, I want to thank a student who's actually in the course right now. She took this course partially last fall and is finishing it up this fall. So thanks, Casey, for giving me permission to share this as an example for students. You'll see on the assignment guide and the self-evaluation rubric for the introduction section of your proposal that there's specific criteria for the title page. One of the first ones you'll see at the very top in the header portion of your Word doc, it says running head. And this is a format used for APA 6. And then the words that are right behind that are abbreviated version of the title of Casey's proposal. So this running head should always cue the reader a really quick view. What am I reading about? What's the focus of this study? The running head is left margin justified, and on the right margin, you'll see justified page number. And there's a way to automate the pages so that it will, each page of your proposal will be automatically added as you go. The next section you'll see in kind of the top third of your introduction or title page, I'm sorry, is the full title of Casey's study. And you can see that she's giving the reader some clues. What is the focus of this study? What am I reading about? And so it identifies the intervention, multimodal literacy instruction, also identifies who the potential participants will be, struggling readers, and then also specifically the grade level. And then the methodology that she's using in instruction is guided reading groups. So anyone who's looking at that title page will know, is this something I want to continue reading? Am I interested in this? And then you'll see the rest of the format of the title page is a standard of how at most universities, and this is how we do this at BH, name the course that you're writing this proposal for. Below that, indicating that this is a research proposal. And then she's indicating here the emphasis for her master's degree. And so those of you that are doing a collaborative study, you'll want to have all your names included. And there is a variation of how to do that if your emphasis for your master's degree are different. Ask the Writing Center about that when you do the Writing Center consultation for this section. And then at the bottom, the College of Education, and actually that should say the School of Education, and then Black Hills State University, and then Spearfish, and then the year. So that's what you do for the title page, quick and easy. And there's a format or examples in the assignment gallery. So if you're worried about spacing, just go ahead and save one of those examples and then insert your information and modify it for your proposal. Dr. Hopewell, anything I forgot?
I think that's it. You know, this is really, the title page is very formulaic, and there's plenty of resources out there for APA, and you can just follow those. Like Dr. Lynn said, you want your title to be summative of what your study is going to be, and the issues that I tend to see are that these are not spaced out correctly. They don't have all of the requisite information, and then that running head. The running head is not the entire title of your paper. People tend to do that. It is an abbreviated version of your title that just gives the very, very basic essence of what your paper is about.
Thanks.
All right, we'll see you in the next video.